In this lecture, we are going to finish the design process of this slide 3. The only part that is remaining is this connectors, which is to be connected appropriately. So let me click on this dotted line and connect it to here. Similarly, let me connect the dotted line of the second one to here, the third dotted line to here, and the fourth dotted line to the last box. Now let me readjust these yellow dots. Just bring all these yellow dots along the same vertical line so they just look neat and proportionate. Also, you could see there is a slight difference in the color combination of this circle, the subheading, and then the shapes. So let us change the color of this circle and the heading. Choose the circle, go to Drawing Tools Format tab and change the shape fill to this blue. For the second one, change the shape fill to this blue. For the third, change the shape fill to the green. And for the fourth, change the shape fill to this teal accent. For heading, change the text fill to the blue color. Aqua. For the third, the teal color, and for the fourth one, teal accent 4. We need to repeat the same for these dotted lines too, but here we need to choose the shape outline. That's it. We have completed designing this slide 3. In the next lecture, let's animate this slide 3.